Looking to add a splash of style and comfort to your living room or bedroom? This multicolored hourglass design throw pillow from Pillow Perfect delivers just that. Crafted with 100% polyester fabric and filled with plush polyester fiber, it offers a soft, inviting feel that instantly enhances any seating area. Plus, its unique rectangular shape and vibrant mid-century modern colors make it a standout piece that complements a variety of decor styles. What sets this pillow apart is not just its eye-catching design but also the thoughtful details behind it. Made right here in the US, each pillow is handcrafted, which means slight variations in size, measuring approximately 18.5 inches long, 11.5 inches wide, and 5 inches deep, give it a unique character. The knife edge finish adds a sleek, tailored look, while the included decorative throw pillow insert saves you the hassle of buying one separately. It's designed for indoor use, making it perfect for your couch, armchair, or bedroom bench. Caring for this pillow is a breeze. Just spot clean with mild detergent and cool water, then air dry. No complicated maintenance or trips to the dry cleaner required. That means you get to enjoy its vibrant colors and plush feel for years without any extra effort. Customers love how well made and versatile it is, often choosing to keep it indoors despite considering it for outdoor use because of its quality and charm. If you're someone who values both style and comfort, this throw pillow is worth a look. It's the kind of small upgrade that changes how your space feels: cozier, more inviting, and visually appealing. Whether you want to refresh your living room or add a touch of personality to your bedroom, this Pillow Perfect throw pillow fits the bill. Ready to bring this blend of style and comfort home? Try it when you're ready and see how a simple decorative pillow can make a noticeable difference. With easy care, a perfect fit, and a design that stands out, it's an effortless way to elevate your space.